The next job I have to do on this 1950s cabin cruiser is a real doozy. What I have to do is replace this little piece of wood. This is the structural timber that holds the rudder stock into the hull, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess and there isn't a straight line on it, so we'll make a new one. Okay, so I sourced a nice big chunk of recycled hardwood. Now what I have to do is make a pattern of the piece that I want to reproduce. So I've done it roughly with pencil, and what I'll do is go around and with my marker, once I'm sure I'm getting the right shape, I'll use my marker to really make it clear where I have to cut this thing away. This surface is straight, but this one is bent, but it's also shaped on an angle. So I'm going to have to use a circular saw very carefully to cut this bent and on that angle. So what I'll do is I'll adjust the blade to the exact angle that I need to cut. Beautiful. And now I'll cut the new piece. There we go. Okay, so now the same on the other side. Now all I do is tip it over, have a good look at it, and I'll bash that off with a mallet. With a little bit of luck. do is shape that up with a plane and a sander and to your size. So there we go. Exact copy of the old one. I know which piece I'd like my rudder stop going through. So what I'll do is I'll set it into place and I'll use a hole saw to bore a new hole through it and bolt it all together.